Alright, so here's the unboxing. This is what it comes with. Got a hardware kit for spacers, rear grab handle, two front grab handles, some more screws, some more spacers. Show you how to get them in. Okay, for the rears, they're pretty simple to install. Use a 10mm, remove this bolt, remove this bolt. You can use the rear grab handle, use two short extensions. They'll go on here, and two of the supplied bolts. So the smaller bolts, short extensions, go on just like that. Then these just go up into the same bolt holes. Alright, snug those down. Good to go. Alright, to install the fronts, you take out two bolts, they're 13mm. You've got one here, there's two holes, but you undo the top one. And right up here next to the visor, there's another 13mm. You take both of those out. Sometimes if these bolts haven't been out before, they can be tight. Make sure you don't have your ratchet hit the windshield and break it. Alright, these front ones are side specific. You've got recessed holes on the insides. So you can see for the passenger one, you want the bolt hole inside. So if you were to put this one on the driver's side, the bolt head would be sticking out. You don't want that. All right, to put these in, what I found is you get the longest bolt with the longest extension, and you start on the lower hole first. They do sit at an angle, so if you're sitting there trying to get them in straight in, they won't go in. So you get the bottom one started, take the other bolt with the other extension, and it can be kind of tricky to get these holes lined up. Just kind of wiggle them around, get them in, and tighten them up. These bolts are kind of tight and they're also really long. So you just got to keep at it. They do supply an Allen wrench when you buy them. It comes in the kit, so everything's there to install. You don't need anything special. Just keep going all the way till they are recessed in. Alright, tighten those down. They're nice and tight. These things are awesome. Nice and sturdy, no problems.